Forget every other wing recipe. Seriously, this is the only one you'll need. Tired of soggy, sad air fryer wings? Good, you're in the right place. I'm about to show you the secret to shatteringly crispy skin and a sauce so good from Chef Kevin Gillespie, your friends will beg you for it. Get ready to become a wing legend. The magic here comes down to two things: insane crispiness and an unforgettable sauce. For that crispy skin, you'll need salt, pepper, and the secret ingredient, baking powder. For that sweet and spicy sauce, grab sriracha, soy sauce, malt vinegar, sugar, fresh garlic, and scallions. Okay, this first step is critical. Your wings have to be bone dry. Pat them down completely. Moisture is the enemy of crisp. In a big bowl, toss your dry wings with salt, pepper, and a teaspoon of baking powder for about 2 pounds of wings. This is what gives you that fried-like blistered skin. Now, arrange them in a single layer in your air fryer. Don't overcrowd the basket. Air fry at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway, or just give them a good shake and a spray of oil every 5 minutes. In a saucepan, combine 2 tablespoons of sugar, a quarter cup each of malt vinegar and soy sauce, a third cup of sriracha, and 2 chopped cloves of garlic. Bring it to a boil, then drop the heat down and let it simmer for 5 minutes until it's a perfect glaze. Stir in some sliced scallions and pour it into a large bowl. When the wings are golden and crispy, get them straight from the air fryer into that bowl of sauce. Toss them until every wing is coated in that gorgeous glaze. Plate them up, top with more scallion, and just look at that. Perfectly crispy skin, juicy meat, and a sauce that hits every note. Spicy, sweet, and tangy. You have to make these. If you're officially done with soggy wings, hit that like and subscribe button, and check out my video for crispy air fryer chicken thighs. Thanks for watching Mikey Conquers the Kitchen, and I'll see you soon.